Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this Explo review, we will dive deep into whether this analytics platform could be the answer you've been searching for in 2025. So to get started with this platform called Explo, Explo is an image you have a lot of information about your business, then such as a sales number or the number of visitors at your website. Explo is a tool that help you make sense of all that info. It lets you create easy to understand pictures and charts, kind of like a report card for your business. So this chart goes on a dashboard, which is like a simple web page where you can see everything in one place. This is also called a customers facing analytics. Instead of just seeing numbers, your customers can also see these helping pictures and understand what's going on. Explo also help everyone see the important stuff without being confusing. Now, talking about the key important features about this platform, come with a wide range of features. Explo has some really cool tools that make understanding data much easier. So it's like having a special set of building blocks that help you to see what's going on with your business. And here are some of the best things Explo can do for you. So one of the best features with what Explo can do for you stays around this with a report builder. It's part of the key features about this platform. Also, it comes to a email reporting and a database connector, which is part of the key features from this platform. And also, it comes with a visualization builder, which help you build your visualize object. And also, it also comes with Explo AI. Imagine having a smart helper for your data. This kind of AI can help you review your information and automatically identify interesting patterns or things you might not have noticed. So that's it. Now talking about the pros and cons, the price tag for this, it comes with a different type of plan. It comes with a launch plan, a growth plan, and a pro plan together with enterprise plan. So can you just get back to the website to check out the key features assigned or allocated to each features or to each plan to help you decide which plan would be a better option for your business. Now, talking about the pros and cons, it comes with a wide range of advantages and disadvantages. So, picking the advantages first, it's easy to embed it and it has a powerful report builder together with a wide connectivity, which saves time and very time saving. Now, talking about the downside, the learning curve and the potential cost also can be a little bit pricey. It also depends on internet. You can't use this without internet. It's absolutely 100% internet and also limited native integration with an high features maturity. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.